Hello, welcome to this short introduction video on quantum dots. Myself Krishna Chandra Sankwa and I am an MSc final year student of Pondicherry University from Physics department. In this video, I am going to speak little bit about the working principle of quantum dots. As you know, it is a new microscopic technology of emitting color. So the era of quantum dots starts from the discovery of a nano object. Okay, so it starts from the discovery of nano object. In 1974, a Japanese scientist named Taniguchi, he took a bulk of gold and cut all the three dimensions until the object become in the scale of nano size. As you know that a nano-sized object is ranged in between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Okay, and at this range, he saw that the gold is changing its color from yellow to red. So it's a puzzling phenomenon for scientist Taniguchi. So he saw that as it is changing property, so there must be some mysterious thing. Some principle that may be taking place. Okay, so in this discovery of quantum dots, there is a phenomenon known as quantum confinement that has a great role in this process. The process of confining and restricting the motion of an electron in a quantum dot is known as quantum confinement, in which the electronic and the optical property of the material changes. As we separate the nanoparticle from the bulk material, its property drastically changes. Okay, so this phenomenon is it can be described by quantum confinement. Okay, the main feature of quantum dots are their accuracy of emitting color, and this accuracy in emitting color comes from their size. Their size is the main cause of emitting different wavelength of color. Okay, so generally the size of quantum dots lies in the range of 1 nanometer to 10 nanometer. Okay, so it's a nano object. In the basic principle of working, I would like to speak something basic principle, how it is working. What is the principle of working? So as I have already told that they show different color depending upon their size. But why? Let's see it. Actually, when a nano-sized material is present in the bulk material, its energy level are looked like a continuous band of energy, which is known as energy band. As we have already know in solid state physics, when any particle or molecule is placed or is in the bulk, then its energy level are perturbed by the influence of neighboring molecules or ions or atoms. So that type of phenomena is taking place here. That's why the energy level are not discrete here, they are continuous. This happens due to the perturbation in the energy by the neighboring atom or molecule. So this is the energy gap, this is the conduction band, and this is the valency band. And as you have seen here, I have drawn some continuous fashion of energy levels, and they are merged with each other. They have a little gap, and they cannot be called as a continuous energy band. So this is for bulk. This is for bulk material. But when this bulk material is confined in a quantum dot, then its energy level becomes discrete. How it is discrete? Let's see it. So this is the discrete energy level. This happens, this energy level is drawn when the quantum dot is separated from the bulk. It is a isolated quantum dot, and this is the energy level. And as you are seeing that these energy levels are discrete. This is energy level, this is energy level, this is energy level, all that, and you can count this energy level. So these energy levels are discrete, and also the energy gap increases. That means this energy gap, the previous energy gap, that means this energy gap is lesser than this energy gap. I have drawn another schematic diagram on energy levels. This is the conduction band and this is the valency band. This valency band is spreaded and this conduction band is narrowed. This is the energy gap. Okay, this is for single particle energy band gap. The above diagram exhibits energy band gap that determines required wavelength of radiation, absorption and emission spectra. Okay, requisite absorption and resultant emission wavelength depends on dot size. If the dot size is bigger, then the quantum dot will emit a wavelength which is much larger. Okay, so if you see any large size quantum dot, then it might emits in the range of if you consider visible range, then if the quantum dot size is large, then it might emit red color, and if the quantum dot size is less, in the maybe in 1 nanometer, then it might emit what, blue color. Okay, so this is the whole idea. This is the brief introduction to quantum dot. So if you go to the application, then it is a variety of application in different sector of different sectors. It is used in manufacturing the quantum dots LED, as it is precisely emits different colors. Then it is useful to make different types of LED screen, like and the screen of mobile, because it is emitting precise color, and that's why we can construct a good quality of good video quality. Okay, and solar cell, we can use this quantum dots in solar cell, because if quantum dot absorbs a single photon, then it can emit a pair or greater than a pair of whole electron. So it is efficient. If you use quantum dot, then it will be efficient for us, because we can get larger current. And astronomy also, if you use this quantum dot in astronomy, then we can get a precise image coming from distant object, and as a result we can know about that object better, in a better version, in medical science, to detect cancer cell, etc. So thank you for listening this video and watching this. Thank you.